You'll need a transistor, BC547, a resistor, a capacitor, and an LED, and a breadboard. After that, you can connect them all on the breadboard. All right, let's start by placing the transistors. I've inserted 2 transistors like this. Now you need to add the capacitor. Give the positive to the base of one transistor and connect the negative to the collector of the other. Connect the negative side of the LED to the collector. And place resistors on both sides, connecting from the base to positive. Need to connect both emitters to the ground. Now it's time to connect the power supply. First, let me check the supply. I'm connecting the positive and negative terminals properly. As soon as I switch it on, the LED starts blinking rapidly. Let's change the capacitor to adjust the blinking speed. Look, I've installed a higher microfarad capacitor, replacing the old one. You'll see the effect on the LEDs blinking. All right, let's try using a larger capacitor for both. The LED is blinking slowly, one by one. In this way, you can make it at home and delight your family. Create a disco light, a dancing light, or whatever you wish. You can even increase the number of LEDs and light up your space.